Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to allow or block AI bot crawler for your website using Cloudflare. So you can allow or block AI bot crawler for your website. So we are in domain overview. So you can open your domain. Now you see this domain. So click on it and then you see multiple options. Now you see AI crawl control. Now expand and then you see crawler. So click on it. So we are in AI crawl control. Now you see multiple petal board, apple board. So you can allow or block according to requirement. So click on block. We block apple board for our website. Now you see block done. If you want you can allow it. Again click on allow. You see all boards here. Chat GPT user, Facebook board, Google Cloud, Google board. So you can allow or block according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.